Roadmap to become a Docker specialist. Imagine building an application on your system. And it works perfectly. But when you share it with someone else, it breaks. Different environments, different dependencies, different configurations. This problem has frustrated developers for years. But then came Docker, a tool that changed how applications are built, shipped, and run. And the experts behind this technology are Docker specialists. A Docker specialist ensures that applications run consistently across any environment. No more "it works on my machine" problems. If you want to master modern development and deployment, this is your roadmap. First, you need to understand the basics of software development. Because Docker is used to package applications, you should be comfortable with at least one language like Python, Java, or Node.js. Next, learn about operating systems, especially Linux. Because Docker containers run on Linux-based environments, you'll understand processes, file systems, and how systems manage resources. Then comes the core concept: containerization. Docker allows you to package an application along with all its dependencies, so it runs the same everywhere. You'll start with Docker basics: creating images, running containers, managing them. Then you'll learn Dockerfiles. This is where you define how your application is built. Step by step. Automated. Reproducible. Next is Docker Compose. Because real applications don't run alone. They use databases, APIs, services. Docker Compose helps you manage multiple containers together. As you grow, you'll explore networking. How containers communicate with each other. Because microservices depend on seamless communication. Then comes storage and volumes. Because containers are temporary, but data must persist. You'll learn how to manage data properly. Next is optimization. Making images smaller, faster, more efficient. Because performance matters in production. Then comes security. You'll learn best practices to secure containers. Because vulnerabilities can be dangerous. As you advance, you'll integrate Docker with DevOps tools, C/CD pipelines, automated deployments, cloud platforms. Because Docker is a key part of modern DevOps. You'll also work with orchestration tools like Kubernetes to manage containers at scale. Because real-world systems don't run just one container. They run hundreds. Finally, real-world deployment. Running applications in production environments. Monitoring. Scaling. Maintaining. Because that's where your skills truly matter. Docker is not just a tool. It's a foundation of modern software delivery. Become a Docker specialist and make applications run anywhere, flawlessly.